back with another video. I have my weekly grocery haul, and oh my gosh, you guys, the grocery pickup this week was a fiasco. You guys know every single week I order from the Walmart grocery app. I do a pickup order, and it usually goes pretty seamless. I'm constantly recommending the service to you guys. This week it just did not go well. They had some sort of glitch in their system or something. It told us when it was time for us to go and pick up our order, it told us that there was a delay, which is fine. No big deal. That sort of thing happens. And then an hour later, it said that our order was ready for pickup. Except when we got there, the grocery pickup was closed. And nobody seemed to know where our groceries were. They were trying to get us to come back the next day. It was just a giant mess. And so finally, after 45 minutes, we got our groceries. But it was just not a good experience this week. We will continue to use the service because that's obviously not the norm. But had this been my first grocery pickup order and that happened, it would have turned me off from the service entirely. So just not a good situation at all. Regardless, we got our groceries finally. This is everything for the week. I apologize for the sound of my furnace running. The furnace is literally right next door here, and it's too cold to turn it off. So let's just go ahead and share what we picked up. So I got a pack of these country style ribs. I also picked up the Italian sausage, the ground Italian sausage. That's for a pasta dish for the week. The ribs I am going to have my husband do out on our wood pellet grill, and that's going to be his birthday dinner. His birthday is this week. Got some hamburger buns. We're going to have some burgers this week. I ordered some grapes. I actually ordered like red seedless grapes. This wasn't a substitution. They didn't call this a substitution. I think they just picked up the wrong thing. So these have seeds. These are not what I ordered. So I'm going to be getting a refund for those because that's not what I wanted. I got some English muffins, some tomatoes, half and half for our coffee. Got a gallon of milk. My husband's favorite cake is a pineapple upside down cake. So I'm going to be making that for his birthday. So I needed the maraschino cherries and the pineapple slices. Also got a pineapple supreme cake mix. There, my heat just turned off. You should be able to hear me a little bit better. I got a dozen eggs, the unsweetened tea that my husband likes so much, the Donut Shop coffee. I got some 3 cheese garlic knots. Those are to go with that pasta dish. Those are so good. I got a loaf of wheat bread and a loaf of white bread. Picked up a bag of onions. Got the duplex sandwich cookies for the kids. Couple of household items. Typically I get these from Amazon Subscribe and Save, but they were actually all out of my Kleenex this month. So I just picked up the same ones I usually get through Amazon. Just got them at Walmart this time, no big deal. Also got some paper plates. Some corn chips for my husband. Great big bottle of ranch dressing because we're all out of ranch. I got some Diet Coke. Some country fried steak fritters. I also ordered the country gravy packets, but those were out of stock, so I did not get those. Got some steak cut fries to go with those country fried steaks. Couple of things of frozen corn on the cob. My husband wanted this with his pork ribs for dinner on his birthday. Got a big bag of baby carrots for snacking on. Some spreadable butter and some stick butter. Couple of cucumbers. Got a package of Black Forest ham and also got some cheddar cheese slices to go with that for sandwiches. I got a 1-pound block of sharp cheddar cheese just to shred for some chicken fajitas we're going to do this week. I got a 3-pound bag of the Macintosh apples. And lastly, I got some bananas. So that was it for my grocery haul. Like I said, the pickup service was a bit of a fiasco this week, but we're definitely going to continue to use it as long as we don't have problems like this again. You know, accidents happen, they made it right, so it was frustrating in the moment to sit and wait and wonder where our groceries were and to have to call customer service and deal with a manager and all that, but we got everything we ordered with the exception of those grapes, like I said. So yeah, we'll definitely continue to use the service, but it was just a frustrating experience, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe. I do grocery hauls every single week. I'd love to have you back. I'll see you guys next time.